Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to print multiplication table. Okay, multiplication table means what? What exactly do you mean by multiplication table? I hope you all are aware how to write the multiplication table, right? So here you can see like if I want to print 4 ka table. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to write 4 multiplied by 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 4 बराबर. उसके बाद में 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 8. Likewise here I am going to print this 4 का table up to 10, like 4 tens are 40. So for this we are going to write a Java code. For this we are going to write a Java code. So basically what is the logic behind this? You can see here 4. This 4 is the number for which we are going to print the table बराबर. For this we are going to accept it from the user. Okay, any number you can ask the user to enter, like a user can enter 4, user can enter 3, user can enter 5. So depending upon the number, the multiplication table will be printed for the user. And what about this 1 2? So basically for iteration from 1 to 10 we need a loop. Okay, we need a loop. 1 2 3 4 5 and up to 10. So basically we need a loop to execute this particular code. Okay, then multiplication is going to give you the answer. Let's see how we are going to write the program for this. Okay, so basically this is how the code can be written for printing the multiplication of the table. Okay, so very first line, which is very important, import java.util.start. Okay, next public class multiplication. This is what the class name, and here inside the class we are taking one function public static void main, and in the bracket we are passing parameter as string and args. Okay, string, square bracket and args for the arguments. Okay, उसके बाद में we are declaring 3 variables over here. Which are the 3 variables? N, I and A and S. Okay, these are the 3 variables, right, which we are going to make use in a further coding. Okay, and all these 3 variables are of type integer, right. Next we have made use of scanner class over here, and we have created the scanner class object named as SC. Okay, next system.out.println, enter the number. Okay, to display the message on the screen we are making use of system.out.println, and whatever we are writing in the double quotes, as it is displayed onto the screen. Next, it is asking the user to input the number with the help of this line. Okay, since it is integer, that's why it is going to take the next int method of the scanner class. Okay, and whatever the user is going to input, that will be initialized to n, or that will be assigned to the variable n. Okay, like user is going to input 4, that n will be 4. User is going to input 5, that n will be 5. Okay, till here I hope you have understood. Then next we are going to use the loop. Which is this loop? This loop is for loop. Okay, for iterating. Okay, we have to traverse from 1 to 10. That's why we made use here of the for loop. For I is equals to 1, that means what? We are going to start the value of I from 1, right. My loop is going to execute until the value of I is going to become 10. Okay, कहाँ से शुरू करेगा I शुरू करेगा 1 से और ख़त्म होगा 10 पे. This is what the increment of I. Next, here it is going to multiply n multiplied by I, like 3. If user is entering the number 3, then 3 multiplied by very first I ka value, 3 multiplied by 1, and that will be printed as the output over here. Okay, that will be printed as the output over here. The multiplication is n is what? 3 multiplied by 1 is equals to, the answer will be 3. The answer will be 3. So this is how the code for the multiplication of the table will be written. Let's execute and see this particular program. Okay. So here you can see I'm making use of command prompt. I'm going to write javac space and the file name. Multiplication is my file name. Okay, multiplication dot java is the extension of java file. So here you can see there is no error into my code. Then we are going to execute the file java multiplication. Okay, multiplication and enter the number. Like I'm going to enter 6 as the number, then it is going to give me the multiplication table of 6. So this is what the program for printing the multiplication of table.